According to BitBoy, he just found out who the creator of Shiba Inu was. He explained that the beginnings of Shiba Inu were disorganized and can be found in Karma DAO, where FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, co-CEO of FTX Ryan Salami, Naima Jahan, and also Andrew Lee, the founder of Karma DAO, were gathered, among others. Armstrong first showed a deleted tweet from Lee in which he admitted to knowing the founder of Shiba Inu. In another deleted tweet from Lee, the influencer also finds proof that Shib got its start in the Karma DAO group in the summer of 2020. Let's begin the video. Also striking to Armstrong is that Serum, SRM, began in the Karma DAO group. On July 28, 2020, SBF presented on Serum at the Karma DAO to pitch the project. As is well known, Serum was one of SBF's pump tokens. Thus, BitBoy has the supposed proof that the Shib founder must come from the above circle. However, the influencer received the final evidence from another YouTuber. This unknown YouTuber told him that Naima Jahan contacted him after the launch of Shiba Inu. Jahan allegedly asked the YouTuber to delete all videos related to unification. This led BitBoy Crypto to believe that Jahan is the founder of Shiba Inu because Unification is the company building the Layer 2 network of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shibarium. BitBoy Crypto also presented further evidence to support his claim. Among other things, he presented messages from the Karma DAO group showing that Jahan was involved in the transaction of the legendary Shib donation to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. In the screenshot, a Karma DAO member named Community Organizer coincidentally, the ticker symbol of Unification Fund, launches a request to send a press release about Buterin. Further screenshots from the Karma DAO group leaked by a supposed member also show the centrality of Community Organizer Fund to Shiba Inu and the Shib transaction to Buterin. For Armstrong, this is the final proof that Naima Jahan, aka Community Organizer Fund, aka Ryoshi, is the Shiba Inu founder. In a Twitter thread, Jahan contradicts Armstrong's claims. Hello guys, since a YouTube journalist decided to take anecdotal information from the internet and do this again, let me do this again as well, Jahan writes. He confesses that he founded Unification Fund, but has not been in a leadership role for some time. However, he says he still contributes to supporting the team and the platform. Regarding BitBoy's theory, he writes, in 2021, there were unresearched articles about me saying that I was the founder/big whale of a famous coin. These are untrue, and most were removed. Also, recently there have been unresearched rumors saying that I worked with SBF. This is untrue. I have been in the same room as SBF precisely twice, and one time exchanged a hello with him. Zero association in business or otherwise. Now it is up to the Shib community to decide who they believe more. The Shib price stood at $0.00001092, up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu price, like other cryptocurrencies, has been following the broader market cues for the last couple of days. The strong bearish trend kept the altcoin from recovering the losses it witnessed over the last month, but the changing winds might enable Shib to achieve that going forward. Shiba Inu price noted a 3.61% increase in value from weekly lows, trading at $0.00001090 to counter a decline noted 48 hours ago. Traders that have been patiently waiting for an opportunity to long the altcoin might be in luck if Shib manages to climb above the critical resistance at $0.00001189. The parabolic stop and reverse SAR has been highlighting an active downtrend for the last month. The presence of the blue dots of the indicator above the candlestick has been evidence of the same. However, going forward, this downtrend might be coming to an end, and the indicator might shift its position to indicate an active uptrend. This is because the bearish cues have been weakening, which is visible on the average directional index, or ADX. The slip of the indicator below the threshold at 25 shows that the active trend is losing strength. Thus, if Shib is in an uptrend, the next time the indicator crosses above the threshold again, a price rise might be on the cards. Although, in order to establish a sustainable rise, the Shiba Inu price would have to flip the critical resistance at $0.00001189 into a support floor. This would allow Shib to climb back to $0.00001395 and mark a 27% rally. Breaching this level would also open the opportunity for the meme coin to establish new year-to-date highs around $0.0001477. However, the Shiba Inu price is not too far away from critical support either. If the altcoin slips below this level at $0.000000966, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. Furthermore, the meme coin would become vulnerable to a fall to December 2022 lows around $0.0000769. Avorak AI is a cutting-edge AI crypto project revolutionizing AI development and deployment. By integrating blockchain technology, Avorak AI provides a secure and transparent platform for developers to collaborate and build AI models in a decentralized manner. The Avorak platform is scalable and can handle large-scale AI projects, with multiple developers working on the same project. The platform has already passed the CyberScope audit, a clear indication that the platform is transparent and secure. Avorak AI's compatibility with blockchains and traditional cloud providers makes it highly versatile and flexible. As such, developers can seamlessly integrate Avorak AI into their existing workflows without compromising their preferred tools and platforms. Avorak is already eliciting positive discussions on YouTube and Twitter as Dr_100X and Crypto Labs explain why AVRK is a must-have token in your portfolio. To fund the development of its platform and build a strong community around its project, Avorak AI has launched an initial coin offering ICO. The ICO allows investors to buy AVRK tokens, which can be used for various purposes on the Avorak AI platform. As the ICO shines in its phase 2, the price of the AVRK token stands at $0.105 and will increase in the next phases. The project allows early investors to enjoy yields of up to 9% in bonuses. A cryptocurrency investor who purchased Shiba Inu during its initial days revealed that he deeply regrets selling the token early. The investor had purchased $2,000 worth of Shib in January 2021, a few weeks before it started to rally. Shib was trading at $0.000000000777295 at the time. But little did the investor know that the token would quickly delete 6 zeros within 10 months. An investment of $2,000 allowed the user to accumulate 25 trillion tokens in January 2021. The investor revealed that when Shib dropped prices the next few days after his purchase, he panicked and sold all the tokens for a loss. Call it misfortune or bad decision, the 25 trillion tokens would have been worth $1 billion in the same year in October 2021. Shib reached its all-time high of $0.0008616 after 10 months of him dumping trillions of tokens. It spiked 67 million%, and the $2,000 would have ballooned to $1 billion. The investor gave his reaction in a TikTok video in October 2021 after seeing the token reach its all-time high. I just got a message from a couple of mates, and they told me that Shiba Inu has gone up 67 million% since January. In January 2021, I was browsing Twitter and came across a recommendation for buying meme currencies. One of them was Shib. At that time, I put $2,000 into it and left it for 2 weeks. It went down, and I sold it for a loss. He added, "It turns out that would now be worth $1 billion if I hadn't sold it." The investor ended the video by saying, "Now, how to live with that." That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.
Today is actually a huge day, and it's all because of tricks being done behind the scenes. New bombshell by Satoshi Kusama, hundreds of millions of US dollars gone missing, and much, much more to come. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today marked a highly anticipated moment for countless crypto enthusiasts. Yet, as the day unfolded, the excitement fizzled into disappointment as the crypto market took an unexpected turn, causing prices to plummet. For many, this sudden crash was not just a financial setback, but a frustrating reminder of the volatility inherent in the world of cryptocurrency. But what happened? Well, a couple of weeks back, the crypto world was buzzing with the news of Hong Kong giving the green light to a Bitcoin ETF. It was a big deal, with many hoping it would flood the market with fresh cash, much like what happened when the US approved its own Bitcoin ETF. For folks who usually stick to traditional investments, it was a big deal. But what happened? Well, a couple of weeks back, this was a chance to potentially rake in some serious gains. As they saw Bitcoin doing well, they started wondering about other cryptos. They discovered they could buy them on crypto exchanges. And when it came to choosing a crypto that's easy to understand for newcomers, Shiba Inu stood out. With its adorable dog logo and simple concept, it was a natural choice. Newcomers to the crypto scene don't want to dive into complicated projects they can't wrap their heads around. That's where Shiba Inu shines. It's straightforward and easy to grasp. Unlike some other cryptos that are filled with technical jargon, Shiba Inu's simplicity makes it a welcoming option for beginners. So it's no surprise that Shiba Inu's price skyrocketed in March. And now, with Hong Kong approving them, Bitcoin ETF, the Shiba Inu community anticipates a similar surge in interest. But wait, if the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF was approved a couple of weeks ago, then what does it have to do with today? Well, a couple of weeks back, the Bitcoin ETF got the green light, but today marks the beginning of its trading. You see, when an ETF gets approved, it's like getting the green signal to start trading it on the stock market. So even though it was approved earlier, today is when people can actually start buying and selling shares of the ETF. It's like the difference between getting permission to open a store and actually opening its doors for customers. Today is when the Bitcoin ETF officially opens its doors for trading, allowing investors to get in on the action. And this is where things went wrong. The Hong Kong ETF was expected to bring in a whopping $300 million in trading volume, but as it turned out, it only managed a mere $11 million. Crypto users are calling it one of the worst predictions of all time. As a result, frustration swept through the market, causing the price of Bitcoin to plummet. And since Bitcoin holds dominance over the entire crypto market, its downward trend often drags other cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, along with it. Today, we're seeing Shiba Inu trading in the red due to this major dip in the crypto market. But anyway, this is just the first day. So even though the prediction failed, the impact is still to be seen. But one thing we know for sure is that you can expect the crypto market to be pretty volatile this week. With unexpected turns like these, it's hard to predict what might happen next. But amidst this uncertainty in the broader crypto market, Shiba Inu developers continue to surprise us. It's actually a good thing when Shiba Inu devs keep surprising us. This is important because it shows that the Shiba Inu market is still a good place to be, and it's a good thing that Shiba Inu team is actively working to improve the project and adapt to changes in the crypto landscape. It helps build trust among investors and users, showing that the project is dynamic and responsive to feedback. Ultimately, this can contribute to the long-term success and sustainability of Shiba Inu as a cryptocurrency. But what actually just happened? Well, the Shiba Inu community is still buzzing with excitement from yesterday's huge news about ShibaSwap being migrated to Shibarium, something we've been eagerly awaiting for almost a year. And today, Satoshi Kusama came through with more announcements and important details that we all should know. When the lead developer of a cryptocurrency project like Shiba Inu makes announcements or shares important details, it's crucial for people to pay close attention. Their words not only reflect the project's vision and direction, but also signal progress and growth. Additionally, these announcements foster community engagement and transparency while influencing market dynamics. Satoshi Kusama, the founder of Shiba Inu, said, "Transition ShibaSwap decentralized exchange as a central hub for innovators and shibizens. In a recent post on XE, Lucy, Shiba Inu's content marketer, raised awareness of Kusama's reaction to the migration of the ShibaSwap platform to Shibarium. As we already know, ShibaSwap recently underwent a migration from solely operating on the Ethereum platform to the ecosystem's layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. Following this development, ShibaSwap is now multi-chain. Having ShibaSwap operate as a multi-chain platform is incredibly useful and important for lots of reasons. But overall, the transition to a multi-chain infrastructure positions ShibaSwap as a more versatile and resilient decentralized exchange, capable of meeting the evolving needs of its users and the broader crypto community. With all the new features that came with the move to Shibarium, Kusama pointed out how ShibaSwap has become a hub for both creators and members of the Shiba Inu community. He described it as a place where the Shiba Inu community can be a place where people can come together to share ideas and projects. Kusama also mentioned how ShibaSwap is a great place for new community tokens to grow. He thinks it's like a lively marketplace, where different projects and members of the Shiba Inu community can come together and thrive. Such updates and developments really attract more and more people to view Shiba Inu as a long-term investment. Andrew Kang, co-founder of Mechanism Capital, for instance, has suggested that meme coins like Shiba Inu may see a 100 times expensive expansion in their market cap. He believes this could happen because big investment firms, called venture capitalists, are starting to like coins like Shiba Inu. He said this in a recent post on X after learning about the crypto holdings of some of these big VC firms. According to the data from Arkham, a company that studies markets, one of the biggest VC firms, Paradigm, has a lot of money in crypto, but they don't have any Shiba Inu. However, another VC firm called Symbolic Capital Partners has quite a bit of Shiba Inu. They have about 65 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which are worth around $1.64 million. This is just a small part of their total crypto investments, which are worth over $80 million. Another investment firm called SCP Ventures also has Shiba Inu tokens worth $1.6 million, which is about 2% of their total crypto investments. When Kang looked at the data, he found that Shiba Inu tokens were worth $1.6 million, which is about 2% of their total crypto investments. When Kang looked at the data, he noticed something interesting. He saw that big investors are starting to like coins, like Shiba Inu. Kang thinks their interest could make meme coins grow a lot, maybe 10 to 100 times bigger. He imagines this happening bit by bit.